Your Cricut cutter machine to make custom glasses. I know this is a Cricut page and I love my Cricut dearly, but there are other things out there that you can make glasses with without even having a cutter machine. I made this one with a UV DTF transfer. So let me show you how to make it, and it's super easy. UV DTF transfers can go on any hard surface. I've seen people make them with mugs, with these beer can glasses. This one's plastic, these are glass, but I have kids so I can't have any more glass in my house, so I'm going to be using this plastic beer can. And then we have the normal cold cup, and we have these springtime UV DTF transfers. So this one say, hey, it's all going to be okay. This one say squeeze today, and it has lemons on there. That's the same one. We have these cute little strawberries. I think I'm going to do this on the beer cup. And this one says coffee and sunshine. I like that. That's cute. So UV DTF transfers, they're really easy to use. They come on this clear backing and with the transfer sheet. So all you have to do is kind of pull the pieces apart. Well, if I can do it. We're going to come back to that. So I think I want to do the coffee and sunshine on the beer can cup. So let me move this over. Oh, my stomach is growling. Don't craft before you eat, because now I gotta finish the video before I actually can go eat. But it's okay. So I got all of that out the way. So what do you need to make a custom cup? You need some type of cup. So this is a plastic, I think they call it a beer can glass, but this one's plastic, and it has the bamboo lid. You need the UV DTF transfers. This one says coffee and sunshine. You need your little squeegee thing. I actually don't know where the pressing tool is. I'll probably use my hands, but this holds the cup in place. And that's it. Okay, so this is just a regular eyeglass cleaning cloth. I don't have glasses, so I just use it for my craft. So you clean the cup off, and you're going to lay it in the cradle. It's called a cup cradle, and I'll link it. But you got that set, and then you're going to take your transfer, and you're going to pull the backing off. So just like this. I'm going to peel off the backing. So we got our cup. We got our transfer. So we're just going to put it right in the center. Just like that. And I'm going to hold one side because I don't want it to stick before I get it on evenly. So it's like to lightly press it down just to get the whole thing on there. And then same thing on this side. Stretch it around and get it all the way to the end. Now you're just going to press down on it like this. If you have the little pressing tool, you can use it. I'm going to use mine from Cricut. The actual pressing tool with the soft side, you have to use some type of cloth or something because you don't want to tear it. And so I'm just going to go down, get all the air bubbles out. Alright. And you're just going to peel it off. There you go. Coffee and sunshine. And that's how easy it is just to make a cup.